RSVP with Lori, your Soft Life ambassador. Join me if you truly enjoy life. Please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell.
Even I know you ain't no good for me, but you feel so good to me. Every time I come back, I try to leave. So how you end up back with me? Oh, this ain't what I want, this is something else. Something that ain't good for my health. And I've been searching, but I can't get no help. And I don't feel like myself. Oh, that's why I always say come through for real. This time I'll be through for real. This time I'll be through for real. I'll be doing shit I really shouldn't do for me. That's why I always say come through for real. This time I'll be through for real.